Hi there, I'm Paul Hathaway, AoA Product Line Manager at BendixKing, talking to you from Oshkosh AirVenture 2013. We're very excited at BendixKing to launch our KLR 10 lift reserve indicator at the show this week. It's been very well received by our customers and by the media. AoA is a product category whose time has really come. Awareness of lift reserve is critical to prevention of what are essentially preventable loss of control accidents at high angles of attack. There's been a lot of consensus in the FAA and the industry around the importance of AoA, and we're very excited to be on the forefront of this technology. So the KLR 10 is a very simple, intuitive, lightweight, low-cost way to get AoA on your GA aircraft. The system's essentially comprised of a probe. The probe replaces an existing inspection port on the wing. Simple to install, trim that to fit, prime paint, and then it replaces the existing inspection port. The differential pressures from that probe are sent to our interface module. The interface module essentially serializes the pressure data from the probe and sends it to our indicator, and this is really the heart of the system. The KLR 10 indicator, it's compact, it's stylish, it's intended to be mounted on the glare shield of the aircraft. It provides you with both visual LED color segment alerts, which tell you the lift reserve state of the wing, and also 3 oral alerts as the aircraft approaches the aerodynamic stall. So let's just demonstrate simply how that might work. Currently the aircraft is in a cruise mode of flight. We have a green bar, we have plenty of lift reserve. We're approaching the pattern. We start to slow the aircraft down, and we get into the yellow arc, and this is all perfectly normal. You know, we're turning maybe base, and we're getting on to final. We're still slowing the aircraft, and here's the familiar donut that military and commercial aviators are used to seeing. Indicates the aircraft is on speed for a consistent, smooth approach with a consistent, safe landing. But if we become distracted, we're looking outside the aircraft for the runway, if we're IMC on an approach, or we're looking for traffic or some other distraction, we hypothetically here get a little slower, and we'll begin to see that we're getting these very intuitive red alerts.
Check AoA.
And that's our first oral warning. We're told to check our AoA. So that's your first opportunity to recover. But say if we continue to get slower and slower.
Caution, too slow.
Caution, too slow is the second oral alert. So you've been warned twice that the wing is approaching the stall. The unit will be calibrated such that the final alert occurs before the aerodynamic stall, and just before that happens you will hear
too slow, too slow,
accompanied by the red flashing arrow. This is telling you to pitch down, push on the control stick or column, reduce the angle of attack, prevent that aerodynamic stall, which we will do.
Caution, too slow.
And we
check AoA.
Apply power, and we get back to a cruise airspeed and angle of attack, and we've safely exited that maneuver. The unit is available for sale currently at Oshkosh, the MSRP of $1,600 US. It's currently for experimental aircraft only. BendixKing is working with the ASTM and the FAA to determine applicability in the future for certified aircraft. Installation takes about a day, including calibration. There are 3 calibration set points on the unit, 1 on the ground at 0 airspeed, 1 at a high alpha and a slow airspeed, and 1 at a cruise configuration. You know, AoA is a product whose time has come. We're getting a lot of attention at the show from dealers and customers and the media, and so we're very excited to be launching the KLR 10.